Please subscribe to our channel before you start to see more amazing videos. The Cursed Red Shoes. Karen was a young orphan, taken in by a kind but strict old lady. She had never owned fine things, so when her adoptive mother gifted her a pair of dazzling red shoes, she was overjoyed. The shoes were unlike anything she had ever seen, glowing in the sunlight, shimmering in the moonlight. But with the gift came a warning: these are not shoes for the church, my dear. Wear them elsewhere, but not before God. Karen nodded, but deep down, she didn't understand why. The shoes were beautiful, and she wanted to show them off. On Sunday morning, instead of wearing the simple black shoes laid out for her, Karen slipped on the red ones. As she walked into the church, people whispered, and the old lady frowned. But Karen ignored them, admiring how the red fabric shone against the marble floor. Then, something strange happened. The moment she stepped outside the church, her feet twitched. A sudden force lifted them, and before she knew it, she was dancing. Dancing and spinning, unable to stop. Frightened, Karen tried to pull off the shoes, but they clung to her feet like a second skin. She danced down the streets, through fields, across rivers. Days passed, and Karen could not rest. The shoes controlled her every move. Desperate and exhausted, she stumbled upon a lonely executioner. Falling to her knees, she pleaded, "Please, sir, cut these shoes off my feet." The executioner, seeing her distress, nodded grimly. With a single swing of his blade, the cursed shoes fell away. But they did not stop dancing. The shoes twirled before her, as if mocking her. Wherever Karen went, they followed, reminding her of her vanity and disobedience. She could no longer go to church. Every time she approached, the shoes blocked her path, forcing her away. Tears filled Karen's eyes. She had made a terrible mistake. One night, she fell to her knees and whispered, "I am sorry. I was vain, I was disobedient. Please, forgive me." The heavens heard her. A soft light surrounded Karen, and for the first time in days, the shoes stopped dancing. They lay still, just empty, ordinary shoes. Karen, now humbled and wiser, never let pride cloud her judgment again. She learned to listen, to be grateful, and to cherish kindness over vanity. Moral of the story: pride and vanity can lead to downfall. Disobedience has consequences, but true repentance leads to redemption. Material things should never come before values and faith. Subscribe.